Test 100.
Goes for it. The man out there is getting under it. And he's got it. Shane Warne, tragically. One hard. Will take the fielder on. And could that be?
Boucher seems very, very confident. Tendulkar got in and out very quickly. Let's have a look here. Gets slowed down. So Sachin Tendulkar backed himself, but the throw was too good. Nice quick hands there from Boucher.
Into each other, Hussain has hit the stump. Jayasuriya.
I told you so, if they're on 99 with every chance, he wants the one. Look at them, they run into each other, I can't believe it. It needs a hit. That's exactly what it got. Jayasuriya, 99 run out. Tragedy for him. It needs a bit of magic. And invariably they get it. 99. Sri Lanka's captain. Maybe a bit of trouble here, 158 for 5.
On 99, don't think you want to take that risk.
New decision, virtual, here it is. It's hit him around about middle and off and going on to hit the top of the leg stump. He just walked too far.
And now you see, and those few yards are going to live with him forever.
In Test match, but the other object should be to go on and make that 100 into 150, and if you can, 150 to 200.
Like running in the night.
Tendulkar.